Hi everyone. Today we're going to deploy a Dask cluster using the Trango Compute Platform and then connect our Jupyter notebook to it. So as soon as we log in, it's going to bring us to the workspaces, but we're going to go to the clusters section. Here you can see that in my list I have two clusters, Dask and Ray, and they're both deployed using Helm charts on a Kubernetes cluster. If I show you the Kubernetes cluster, and if I refresh here, you will see that there is right now nothing running on it. Okay, so let's get back to Trango Compute Platform and then start our Dask cluster. It's going to take a couple of seconds to start up. Okay, so the cluster has now started up. If I go again to Kubernetes, I refresh, you will see that I have a Dask scheduler and a task worker. I only have two workers over here. And it also deployed a dashboard for me for Dask. So you can see here, I also have two workers. So it's the same cluster. Going back to the workspaces section, I will start my notebook. The notebook that I have is called Dask tutorial. I will connect my notebook to the Dask cluster. And here you will see another important feature of the Trango Compute Platform. Whenever you connect your notebook to the Dask cluster, it will automatically do some initialization for you, right? From the moment you connect to the cluster, it will run some initialization for you. In the case of a Dask cluster, it will create a Dask client for you and then inject that client as a variable called Dask into your Python environment. So you don't have to remember the address of the cluster. You don't have to remember anything that is very specific to the cluster. It will do all that initialization for you. So here, as the end of this demo, we will just show you some small calculation of a k-means machine learning algorithm that we will run on the Dask cluster that you will see. It will start the calculation here. So the calculation in itself is very small. But yeah, our cluster is also very small, so it's going to take a couple of seconds and it's going to be finished. So it's finished, and going back to the cluster, you can see it has finished. If I disconnect my notebook from the cluster, it will do all the cleanup for me, and you can see none of my data is in the cluster anymore. That's the demo. Thank you. See you next time.